Hello, John Colaneri here, TV personality and designer. One of the biggest questions I get from so many people is, what type of replacement window should I use at my house during the next renovation? Well, it's easy. Renewal by Andersen, Fibrex. I think so many people are accustomed to saying, oh, well, let's just go with a vinyl window. Well, vinyl windows don't hold the test of time. They break down in the hot temps, and then when it gets really cold, so you'll see that warping and cracking that happens over time. They also fade in color, something that we don't want to have for the aesthetic reasons. If you're making an investment, why would you want to make an investment in a product that's just going to break down? It's not the right way to use your money. So my clients are always saying to me, all right, John, we get it. Well, why should we choose a product that is made of Fibrex? Well, it just makes sense. I have this incredibly large bay window. It gets blasted with a ton of light in the morning, and then in the afternoon, of course, it gets the shade. But for a good 6 to 8 hours, there is sun beating on this, and I have black windows. So check this out. This is the Fibrex inside here. This material looks unbelievable. I'm not gonna have to worry about it fading. This product is twice as strong, vastly superior to vinyl. Look, heating and cooling loss, that is the #1 issue inside of your house. Having windows do this, and I have a lot of windows here. I'm not gonna have to worry about that heating and cooling loss, and on top of it, sound protection. When you go inside my house, you don't hear anything. The outside is totally muffled, and I love it.